Don't you bite my dog. Come here. Quit. Whoa. He ain't dealing with you. He ain't dealing with you. You guys come watch Animal Control with me. This shit's hilarious. What are you doing? Don't you bite him. He's sleeping. That's just weird. Look at these purple inline testicles. Hey, get up here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Why don't you get up here? Come on. Don't you chew on these inline purple testicles. What the hell? You're gonna wake him up. Get up here. Get up here. Watch animals. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come watch TV with us. You want him to come and play, don't you? Jack Doc. Jack Doc. Come on. Can I see you? Don't jar. Honey, baby. No. Can I get a boink? Boink! Oh, you just boink clear up on the couch. Boink! Nice try with the yar. Why don't you wake Duck up? Get him up. I'm tickling him. I'm not hurting him. Can I get a boink? Can I get a boink? Boink. Wake him up. Wake him up. Get up, Duck. She wants you to come play. You gonna come watch TV with us? Oh, there she goes. Back out.